Here we go. We'll call this our phase 4 completion. This is we can call it our burn victim. It's the home on the property, one of 7 units that had extensive fire damage. So if you've been keeping up with the progress, what you're seeing here is walking the property on March 29th when we purchased it. So this is the original condition. Bones of the interior in pretty good shape. As you can see there in one of the vents, there was some fire smoke damage. This is the original kitchen. So nice open spaces with some windows. Just needs some fairly extensive updating and repairs. 1950s, 1960s style windows. This is the bathroom where all of the damage started. So in the ceiling, you're not going to be able to see it here, but the ceiling fan lit on fire and it burned the roof, ruined the plumbing, ruined the electrical, and we've essentially had to go through and build a brand new building other than replacing the exterior walls. The majority of the roof had to be replaced and redone. This is the hallway. So what you're seeing there is the soffits are pretty low. So we had to go in and rip those out since we needed to put a new AC unit in. All the windows were in very bad shape, so we had to replace those. And in the bathroom, that wall you're seeing there on the left really made the bathroom feel small, so we blew that wall out and redid it. There's nice open 3 bedrooms there. In the back of this bedroom, we had to cut the block wall out to put in an egress window. And there's just kind of looking into the attic. Another bedroom here, nothing crazy. Just nice and open. Need some new doors, paint, all that kind of stuff. Here was our demo started on the bathroom where the fire was first initiated there. You can see that the plumbing had to be cut out of the floors. There's the exterior where you can see the extensive fire damage to the roof. And there's the guys on the property a couple months ago ripping into that. They put in a whole new AC system, all the new ducting and everything. And there's the laundry room that had a bunch of fire damage to it as well. Half of the roof had to have some special trusses designed by our fantastic engineer. And here's your finished roofing project. Turned out really well. They had to build the entire left side of the building there. And there's a triplex on the west side of the property. Here's about halfway through the project when they had the block walls done. All the windows were in. The majority of the interior repairs had been done, and it was coming along pretty nice. All the drywall had been done there. In the living room, we cut the block wall out just to have interior access to washer dryer facilities, and there's the kitchen with all the plumbing done. Flooring still needs to go in as well as everything else. And they've rebuilt that bathroom over there. So nice open spaces, clean lines. The hallway here with our new 6-panel doors makes it look real nice. And then they blew open the wall there in the bathroom. Have to work on my camera skills here. Fast forward another month, we've got students moving in here. So they've got all their furniture going in. And most importantly, here is the interior finished. We are waiting to remodel or finish remodeling the other 2 triplexes on the property before shooting the exterior with paint and putting up the wall sconces. So we've got 2-inch wood look faux blinds, and then there's the door on the left. You can see we cut out the block wall and framed in the exterior so that the home has access to the washer dryer facilities interior. Lots of can lighting, so the place is really bright. We've got really durable, waterproof wood look flooring that we went in. That stuff's bulletproof. And then we've got granite countertops as well as stainless steel appliances. We got the white shaker cabinets are kind of the in thing right now. So we placed those in there as well. This is one of the bathrooms, one of the 2 bathrooms in the single family home. It turned out really nice. And then heading down the hallway here, we've got the soffits were removed. All the bedrooms were replaced. We've got the carpet in and all the light fixtures good to go, as well as furniture's all moved in. And you can see we blew out all the walls there and really opened up the bathroom to put an extra sink in with the white tile to the ceiling to make it feel a lot bigger in there. Here's one of the 3 bedrooms with the egress window we talked about that was cut to make that bigger to code. And we've got the residents are all moved in. I like the ceiling hugger fans that they've been using there. And the worldly gray paint goes really well with the white trim and just the open spaces. Nice living room here with plenty of space, lots of lights, and a nice dining room space there. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right if you want to stay up to date, and let me know if you got any questions.